All right, today I'm gonna give you another demo of Masada MIDI Progressions 8. All right, so this kit contains 130 sample clips that y'all can take and chop up and do whatever you want to do. They're all lo-fi. So yesterday I gave y'all a demo of one set clip. So I'm gonna take another one, this one right here. All right, so there, like again, so I took that, put that on the pads, manipulated it, went to warp, and basically I sped it down some and everything, and then I basically found my melody. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like that, so I'm gonna keep that. And so then I would go over here and I gotta find some drums, you know. So now all these drums, right? Basically, they're all lo-fi. You know, and they're all at like 22,005 kilohertz or whatever, because I find it just gave them a nice little gritty sound. All right. So I played a drum track. Nice and simple, right? All right, and then so this kit also comes with 12 instruments and a sine wave from the Akai S3000. So I played a nice little bass line with that. Very simple, you know, very strong. All right, so let's listen to what it is I came up with. All right, so. All right, so again, this kit right here, it has about 125 MIDI progressions. It has 130 sample clips that you can chop and manipulate any way you want, make whatever type of music you want. Yeah, it comes with 6 cycle kits, 2 regular drum kits. I mean, this thing is packed and it's at an affordable price. All right, I love you all. Thank you very much for checking me out. Masada, I'm out. CycleKit.com. Respect always.